Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Canva to Google Slides. Let's get into it. First, finish your design. The first step is to make sure your project is completely ready. You want every page to look exactly right before you move it. Open your project and check every page to make sure the words and pictures are in the right spot. Look over your work one last time to ensure it is the best version for your task. Once you move the design, it is much easier if everything is already finished. Next, find the Share button. You need to find the button that lets you send your work to other apps and places. Look at the top right corner of your screen for the button that says Share. Click on this button to see a list of ways you can give your design to others. This button is the gate that lets your work leave the app and go to your Google account for your project. Next, choose Google Slides. Now you need to tell the computer exactly where you want your pages to go. You have to find the right app in the list. Scroll down the list of choices and click on the button that says More with the three dots. If available to your version, look for the Google Slides icon and click on it. In my case, let's try PowerPoint as an example. Lastly, save to your Google account. The final step is to connect your account and save the file so you can open it later. After you select Google Slides, click the button to connect your Google account if you haven't done it yet. Then click Save and wait for the computer to finish moving your pages. And once it is finished, you can find your design in your Google Drive. Now your project is ready to be shown as a slideshow. And that's it. To move your work in Canva, finish your design, click the Share button, pick Google Slides, and save it to your account. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.